back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, thank you so much for clicking on this video and taking time to watch it. I look tragic. Bright and early in the morning, but I have made my bed and I am about to start my day. And I thought I would show you guys my morning skincare routine. I keep it super simple in the morning and I keep it like a little bit more in depth like at night. So yeah, I'm also going to be showing my nighttime skincare routine in this video for like the second half of the video. I recently just did how I got my skin to be clear. So if you're interested in seeing how I got my skin clear, I will throw up a card right here and I will have the video linked down below if you are curious of my clear skin journey. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys my morning and nighttime skincare routine. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you are new and click that bell when you subscribe so you're notified when I post. And join the Goria Gang. I post twice a week and I also have extra videos as well. Where are my cotton pads? Did I forget my cotton pads? It's just early. Everything's fine. It's too early, I forgot them. Okay, I do my skincare after, like my morning skincare after I work out, because I feel like when you do it before, it just kind of melts away when you're sweating, like there's no point. It's gotta have time to settle in, you know, marinate. So I just use these Whispers, and these are from Costco. And then I go in with the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Treatment, Facial Treatment Essence. It's an age pollution. Wait, it's anti-pollution and age delay. I don't really need the age delay, but I need the anti-pollution because just like running your errands and stuff, there are some weird things in the air. So it just kind of helps your skin stay free of like all the free radicals and all that stuff. I don't really know. I'm just saying what I've heard, but it works. Like it just keeps my skin like a lot more clear and it just feels good and it smells really good too. And I just rub this all over and I lift up on my neck. Next up, I take the Hendricks Transformation Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner, guys, with another Clean Whispers. I've talked about this many times, but I do have darkness in some spots where I had acne scarring and just around my mouth from like my skin tone just being a little bit more yellow around my mouth. So I just put those on that spot and on those spots and it just like seems to like calm it down a little. I love this stuff. I use it morning and night. Next up, I go in with my all-time favorite moisturizer. It's the Hendricks The-Rush Brightening Gel Creme. I've been using this for 6 months. So good. So basically, all the skincare I'm using is what works for me. I do have like combo skin, like it's oily and it's dry, but I treat it like it's just like normal dry skin. And if any of these products don't work for you, that's just because we all have like different skin types and everything just works differently on everybody. But this is what I have found to keep my skin nice, hydrated, and cute and fresh and glowy. I don't know. I don't do too much moisturizer. I only do like a dime size amount all over my face. Next up, I go in with my favorite eye cream. It's the Hendricks Banana Bright Eye Cream. I've been using this since it came out too. And I'm almost out of this one. If you don't use an eye cream, go to the store and get one. I only say that because this exact one looks so good under concealer and just under makeup, and it never just peels it and makes it look crepey. Like it's hydrating, it has collagen in it, so it helps like your under eyes just be like tighter, and it's honestly like putting on concealer is how I feel like this eye cream is, because it just brightens so well. And I just use my middle finger and I just lightly tap everything in. I put my Holy Grail Derma E Scar Gel on, and I talked about this in my how I got my skin clear video. Oh, turn back on. But this stuff is amazing. I am almost out, as you can tell. And I just take about this much, if you can see, and just go on the scarring areas on my face. And I picked my face right here the other day, so I'm just gonna put that on there to prevent scars. And last but not least, sunscreen. I like to use a spray sunscreen because I don't like putting too much on my face to clog it up. So my favorite spray sunscreen is a Super Goop Defense Refresh setting spray with SPF 50. So I'll just take this, shake it. Alright, so that is my morning time skincare routine, and it's just what works for me. Oh my gosh, I need to wash my hair. This is day 5 of dry shampoo, but I will see you guys in like 12 hours or like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hours when it's nighttime, so I can show you guys my nighttime skincare routine. Be back in a few. It's so late. I just want to go to bed. I could fall asleep right now. Okay, but I can't because we gotta, I'm filming. I'm back. Why does it look like that? Alright, so I need to do my skincare before I go to bed. Yes, I have had an outfit change. I've had like 3 outfit changes today. Changed a lot during the day. Alright, so first thing I do, where are my Whispers? These are just called cotton pads, but I call them Whispers because that's the name of the brand. So after I've taken off all my makeup, I go in with a simple micellar cleansing water. I've gone through so many of these. This is my favorite thing ever. Like it's a holy grail from the drugstore. I love it so much. I just go back over my face after I've already washed it with my Clarisonic and my Foreo and just make sure I don't have anything else, and it just makes me like feel cleaner, you know? Oh, yeah, see, I still had some stuff left. This is the best ever, and sometimes when I'm just wearing like concealer and stuff, I'll just take my makeup off with this and just wash my face really fast. This stuff, simple, if you're watching this is the best stuff ever. Y'all killed it. Oh. Next up, I will take another cotton pad, and yeah, I go through these like crazy, and I'll go in with my Hendricks dark spot toner like I did in the very beginning of the video, and I'll just go over my dark spots one more time. Next up, I'll do my serum, and I don't know why I keep my serum in the box, but it's by Tatcha. It's my favorite. Like, so far, so good. I've only been using it for 3 days, and Michelle, if you're watching this, which I'm pretty sure you are, girl, thank you. This stuff's so good. I take 1 pump of this on my hands and just pat, 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 pat. It low-key smells like bubblegum. I love Tatcha skincare so much. I would like to dabble into more of it, but this is such a good serum. It helps with like dark spots and just brightening your skin, and I don't know, it's just so good. Next up, I go into my moisturizer, and my favorite nighttime moisturizer is the Hendricks Good Night Glow Retinol Sleeping Cream. I've been using this for 4 months. Ever since it came out. I'm an Ula girl. Like, ain't nobody love Ula more than me. But this is my favorite stuff ever. I've gotten so many people onto it. Like, so many people. It's crazy. But I just use about this much, and I just go on my face like so, and then I rub in. Makes your skin like hydrated and glowy, but doesn't make your skin oily, which is what I love because I already have like combo skin. And then on my neck, I just rub up. Now, I do use a different eye cream at night. I use the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. Favorite eye cream for nighttime. It's a little too heavy for daytime, but it's so good. I only take maybe about this much per eye and just lightly bounce it in. It's so hydrating, and it does look good under concealer too, but I just find that I like the Ula one for daytime a little bit more because it's a little bit less heavier. And we're gonna go to the other eye too. Oh my gosh, we're so close to being done. I told you guys my nighttime skincare was a lot longer. So next, I'll go in with my Derma E Scar Gel again because I'm trying to get rid of scarring, and just, you know, Derma E Scar Gel is the way to go. It's so good. Derma E Scar Gel has gotten me through way too much. All right, we're on the second to last thing. About every 2 nights, every other night, I will go in with like a sleeping mask because I just find that during the night is when skincare works a little bit better, penetrates a little bit deeper. So I like to do that to just make my skin look more youthful. I mean, I'm 17, but still, I want it to be a little bit more youthful. So right now, my favorite one is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. So I will use this, and when I do switch them off, I go between the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, the Glow Recipe Watermelon, and then the Glow Recipe Avocado. So I'll just take a little bit of this. This one is so thick and creamy, but does not clog pores, and it's so good, and it smells even better. And I'll just rub this in as my last final step to my nighttime skincare routine. Okay, and what I do next to kind of just push it all into my pores and just really get it soaking in is my OG Nurse Jamie facial roller. I love this thing. I've been using it for about a year, I would say, and it's so good. Some may say this is way too extreme to be 17, but I am trying to be 60 and be looking 30. I've had facial rollers and I didn't think they worked. This is by a dermatologist, so I know it works, and it has never done anything bad to my skin. You may see my skin just like turn red for a sec, but it's only because I'm pressing so hard. I also do my neck, and that's the only reason I have a nice jawline, and maybe all the salads I eat. But look at that. Go under my chin, and I lift up for my smile lines. And this is like immediate results too. Like, it's so good. And I do this for about 3 to 5 minutes depending on how much time I have, but I do this every night. I always make time for this. All right, you guys, and this is what my skin looks like after my nighttime skincare routine. Glowy, hydrated, and it feels good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe if you were brand new, and join the Goria Gang. Click that bell so you get notified for future uploads. I upload every Tuesday and Friday, plus I have extra videos throughout the week when I'm able to upload them. I love you guys so much, and I hope this video helped you. So if you guys enjoyed both of these videos kind of like in one, I don't know, my hands all over my face because I always preach about not putting your hands on your face, but I will see you guys in my very next video. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye guys.